So I'm just going to show a quick little video on welding some quick little stainless. This is some 3-inch stainless. It's like Chinese stainless, so it's not the best quality, but it is stainless and it welds pretty good. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to purge it. I did one earlier, just a small little joint. I do about one of these a day, even if I'm not welding anything, just to practice and not be rusty. But I'll show you that real quick. I don't know if you can see from the light, but I did a section. See, this all pretty much looks the same, and I did a section inside of about, I don't know, like a 3-inch section without purging, and I'll show you that when I'm done of what the drastic difference is with purging and non-purging. So let's hook up the purge. Purge is hooked up, and I'm gonna let it purge, I don't know, probably like 5 CFH for a couple minutes. Not even, I'm gonna let it purge for, it's 3 to 5. I'll let it purge for, I don't know, a minute to 2 minutes, and I'll just keep welding because this is such a small piece of tubing. It's gonna get purged pretty much like quick, not pretty much, but you know, to get purged quick. You don't have to wait 5-10 minutes for it to purge. So just got another piece of wire, some acetone real quick, wipe the joint. I already done this, but this is just another precaution. Wipe your filler rod. Oh, I always make a habit to wipe it, especially on aluminum and titanium. I don't know if you can see those are from the filler rod. I'm using, this is stainless filler, and 36 diameter 308L. I'm using 42 amps. On the gas, it's personal preference. I'm using a 16 cup, about 30 CFH of gas. It's already tacked up, so we're just gonna start welding. Let me flush the gas out real quick. So I spiked the purge to like 15 CFH for like 10 seconds just to flush any remaining oxygen out. And we're gonna start welding. Post flow is 87678. I don't know what I have it set to. Now this joint is going to get a little hot, so around halfway through I'm going to stop and let it cool for a bit because it's such a small piece of metal. Now I'll continue this and put you guys on a time lapse and let you watch. This is going to take 4 or 5 minutes. So I'll bring you back when I'm done. Welcome back, guys. I got about one weld left, and then I'll show you guys the inside and what the purge looks like. Alright, just finished it. Now, I said I was going to take a break halfway through and let it cool down. I decided not to, just go ahead and feel like waiting, but let me shut off my purge. Purge is off. Let me take off my line. And it's a little hot, but I'll try my best to show you the outside and the inside. So, I don't know if you can see there. Pretty good looking beads. Take off the purge caps and I'll show you guys. Okay, by the way, these are 850 fab purge caps. They're real nice. I think they're called purge lock now, but they work great. So let me get a pair of pliers. So this is what a properly back purged weld looks like on the inside. And then as you can see, the top over here is the one I didn't back purge last time. And you can see that's real cruddy, sticks out. And then you can see the silver and silver ones are all back purged. So yeah. There's some good back purge, good penetration. So yeah, just a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoy.